Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Alright family, if y'all can see what's going on, this is the video we all been waiting for. Boop! Alright family, we gotta work real quick. Two reasons. It's 110 degrees out here today. I'm hot, and so is my camera equipment. I got about 5 or 10 good minutes before it tells me it's too hot to record, so let's get started. Alright family, there's a video coming up right after this video. I mentioned to y'all in the previous video about me cleaning this freaking lid that I found on the side of the road, a gold mine, and a Weber grill. Now, I cleaned this grill earlier. I put it on here to heat it up because the chemical I used was amazing. That's what the next video is going to be about. I could not believe it. I thought this was a dollar store freaking cleaning solution, but it turned out to be much, much more. All right, family, so I went ahead and started a fire to go ahead, once I clean this, to burn off any residue I had after I cleaned this lid. So when I put the lid on, I wound up with a temperature of about 350 to 400 degrees. So I said, why not go ahead and do the video on the steak? So you know how we break in anything here, this and that. Our first cook ever on our homemade, almost free culvert with a Weber find named Bones. So without further ado, let's get started. What you see right here is my butter with a little bit of Dale seasoning mix. That's gonna go on after the steak is finished cooking. Let's drop that baby right in the center. Let's go ahead and put that lid on there so we can maintain that heat, maintain that temperature of about 350 to 400 degrees. Should be at about 450. I like to sear first, but we're gonna go ahead and let it cook right there at 350. Cook for about 6 minutes on this side, about 6 minutes on the next side. All right, family, we'll go ahead and get these phones or these cameras out of the heat. Let this steak do its thing, and we'll be right back in 6 minutes. For y'all, it'll be 6 seconds. For me, 6 minutes. All right, fam. It's been about 6 minutes. She's still holding it at about 350 degrees. So let's flip this steak and see what we're working with. Oh, yeah. All right, our first official flip. Boom. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah, baby. That might require one more flip because I think Lady Red's going to take that one to work. But, oh, let me make sure I'm getting that in good light. That is beautiful. I wonder what this butter's looking like. I don't know if I can lift that top off and not hurt anything. Nope. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I might want to pull that. Let me get me a glove and pull that off. Can I push that further to the side? Not hurt anything. Yeah, let's see if that'll work. All right, fam. Y'all stay tuned. We'll be back in about 7, 8 minutes. All right, YouTube family, my welding gloves, like I always tell y'all, I always use the products that I advertise in my, and I'm not sponsored by anyone. I always use the stuff that I show y'all in my video. Now, let's go ahead and pull the top off this butter. Ooh. Oh, that is hot, y'all. All right, do a little basting. Ooh, I feel the heat through that. Pull that off. Ooh, that's hot. Ew. I don't want to bust my little container. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. That afterburn, baby, that sear. Oh yeah. For those of y'all that are new to the game, that's the butter along with the marinade. It's causing that fire to flare up, but that's going to be a somewhat of a sear. No problem at all, as long as that steak ain't burnt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, fam, there it is, our first official cook on Bones, the new hog pen authority and official barbecue pit. Let's see what we're working with, fam. Oh yeah, just like mama likes it, medium well. Oh, can y'all see what we're working with? Booyah! All right, fam, y'all know we gotta do this. Oh yeah! I am not kidding, y'all. That is delicious. I left that butter on just a little too long, let it get a little too hot. There's a slight burnt flavor from that butter. Other than that, scrumptious, delicious. Scrumptious, delicious. How would I say that? Uh-oh. I'm talking with my mouth full. I've been warned. Woo! All right, fam. Bam.